Hi. Welcome to Apex Services. We get the job done. Who are we? A team of professionals who go extra mile for you. Still confused? For starters, we provide a range of services, like AC services. Having problem with your AC on a hot summer day? Beat the heat. Call Apex Services. We also have plumbing services. Worried about water leakage? Can't find the plumber? Don't worry. Call Apex Services. We also provide electric, pest control and handyman services. We also offer some great packages. Check them out on our website. And these are our clients. If you are looking for any services, download our app now or visit our website.